dandelions, daisies, irises, buttercups, geraniums, daffodils, and up to 8 different types of violets, among many other flowers, is what you can find in Emily's herbarium, which was crafted between the years 1839 and 1846. Nowadays, it is carefully guarded in a vault at Harvard's Houghton Rare Book Library, for it is so extremely fragile that, unfortunately, it cannot be exhibited. Only a few researchers had the pleasure to access it. Until in the 1980s, it could only be consulted through the black and white photographs that were taken of each page of the album. In 2006, Harvard published a facsimile with color pictures, which is now out of print and costs a fortune. But thanks to the arrival of the new technologies, finally, Harvard had the chance to digitalize the entire herbarium, and that's why we can enjoy an online version today, page by page. If you pay attention to it, you will be able to sense the great care and affection with which the specimens are placed along the 66 pages that form the album, each one labeled in Latin, written on thin, long paper strips in Emily's most elegant handwriting. This project was very surely motivated by the book Familiar Lectures on Botany by Elmira Hart Lincoln Phelps, who was a botany teacher at Amherst Academy, where Emily studied until age 16. Phelps' book was commonly used at many female seminaries of the time with the intention of teaching natural history and botany, emphasizing the religious nature of scientific study. Also, the creation of herbariums was a popular pastime among girls at that time, and Phelps' book, which Emily certainly used as botany textbook, must have definitely inspired her to create hers. Emily enjoyed this task so much that she even encouraged her friend Abaya Root to create one of her own, as we can read in one of her letters.
Have you made an herbarium yet? I hope you will if you have not. It would be such a treasure to you. Most all the girls are making one. If you do, perhaps I can make some additions to it from flowers growing around here.
However, and despite the use of scientific names, that is Latin, Emily's herbarium cannot be considered for botanic use due to the lack of some important information such as the collection date, the location of the gathering, the habit of growth and frequency of the specimen, and also it has been proved that only 250 specimens out of the 424 included in the album are truly native from Amherst environments. The rest could have been picked up from neighboring gardens and yards. But I'd like to point out that at least 5 species collected by Emily are considered rare plants in Massachusetts, and another one, which is also included in her album, is already extinct, fact that can be considered an important contribution for the botanic world. Well, in conclusion, we can point out that her passion for gardening and all the work carried out for the production of this herbarium helped her write about the vegetable world with a lot of accuracy. And if you close your eyes, can you imagine Emily taking long walks along the countryside, excited and thrilled to find new specimens? I do.